everybody, I'm Gigi, and today I'm making filet mignon. Now, I say it in the fancy accent because I just feel like filet mignon is a fancy cut of beef. And what makes this specific beef I'm using today even fancier is that it's grass-fed and it's grass-finished. Now, you can get this piece of filet mignon and a bunch of other grass-fed and grass-finished steaks at US Wellness Meats. US Wellness Meats has so many different cuts of grass-fed and grass-finished beef, as well as other free-range red meats too that are so good. So I highly recommend that you guys head on over to uswellnessmeats.com so you guys can subscribe and save. They have this subscribe and save service where you can just put any types of meat you want in a bundle, and then every single month it's delivered to your door. You don't even have to think about it. You don't have to go to the grocery store or anything like that for meat because it'll be at your door on the day you requested every single month. It's the best thing ever. The best thing ever. And speaking of the best thing ever, I'm not gonna lie, the filet mignon I am about to make for you may be in fact the best thing ever. So let's get cooking. Oh, and by the way, I also plan on making a dairy-free Caesar salad topped with butternut squash croutons and anchovies. Well, what do I have here? A beautiful plate of filet mignon. Yes, that is right, guys. I am tooting my own horn over here because I think this looks incredible. Now, if you guys think that this meat looks a little too rare, feel free to cook it in the oven a little longer than I did. I just personally love rare meat. And when you eat grass-fed and grass-finished beef, you tend to like to cook it a little less than the typical conventional meat because it is a lot leaner. Okay, it's time for me to try this because I'm your official taste tester, right? Gotta make sure it's good so then you guys can make it in your kitchen yourself as well. I personally think that I cook this to perfection. And again, I'm tooting my own horn over here. It's so good. It's so good, but I can't take all of the credit. US Wellness Meats needs some of the credit too because they supplied me with this deliciousness that I'm about to stab with my fork again because I want another bite. And I'm going for this big bite. A lot of people like to cut it up because it's filet mignon and they want tiny little bites because they feel sophisticated, but this girl's gonna eat. And boy, is it good. And now she's talking with her mouth full, so clearly filet mignon may be a little too fancy for me. Now let's try this Caesar salad situation. What? Caesar salad dressing does not need dairy, everybody. Breaking news, it does not. Because this is amazing. I think that this pairing is personally a great one, especially during the summer months because you don't want to cook hot food, right? Exactly. So I won't lie to you, this is probably going to be a staple this summer for me. And it could be a staple for you as well if you guys head on over to uswellnessmeats.com and check out all of the meats they offer. And then subscribe and save, because as I said earlier, it's the easiest thing you could possibly do. Put all of the meats that you like in your cart, click subscribe and save when you're checking out, and then bam! The meat will arrive at your doorstep on the designated day you asked for. Totally not rocket science, so you need on this. Just like I need to finish this plate, so I'm gonna say goodbye right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys head on over to US Wellness Meats and check out their meat and make this situation. And I will see you again next time. Bye.